Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's vanAmsen. Today we got to tackle a really interesting coding problem, finding if a root to leaf path exists in a binary tree, such that the sum of the values along the path equal a given target sum. So this problem is often asked in interview, and it's a fantastic way to get comfortable with tree traversal algorithm. So let's dive right in. So the problem we are solving today is from LeetCode, specifically problem number 112, path sum. So the task is pretty straightforward. Given the root of binary tree and an integer target sum, we need to return the true if the tree has a root to leaf path such that the sum of the value along the path equal target sum. So simple, right? But the devil is in the detail. So the approach will be as follows. So how do we approach this? We have a couple of options: depth first search, DFS, and breadth first search, BFS. So I will be using DFS for this one, and the idea is to start at the root and move down towards the leaf node, and all while keeping track of the remaining target sum. So if we reach a leaf node and the remaining target sum is 0, then we have found a valid path. So let's code it out. So if not root, return false, and target sum minus root value. So check if the current node is a leaf node. So if not root leaf and not root right, return target sum equal 0, and return the leaf and right subtree. Okay, so it will be return self has path sum root left target sum, or self has path sum root right target sum. Okay, so this is our implementation. Yeah, we can run it to verify it's working. So yeah, as you can see, it's working, and output is target sum is 22, and output is true, as this path is sum to 22. Okay, so now let's move what we did. So first we check if the root is known. If it is, we return false. So because we don't have a root, and then we subtract the value of the current node from the target sum, and now we check if the current node is a leaf node. And so what's happening here? So we first check if we have reached a null node, which means we have hit a dead end, which means we return false. So then we subtract value of the current node from our target sum. And if current node is a leaf, meaning it has no children, we check if target sum is 0. So we check if it's 0 or not, and if it is, that means we have found a path that means all condition. So now the last piece of the puzzle. So we also need to check the left and right subtree and recur them. So we finally recur left and right subtree, and our code is complete on this stage. And condition here is crucial, because if either left or right subtree returns true, that means we have found a valid path, and we should return true as well, because here, for example, left side could be true, but right could be false. But either one will satisfy the condition. So yes, we can also walk through our example. So if we consider a tree with root at 5 that is provided and display, and target sum 22, as we traverse down left subtree, the remaining target will be as follows. So it will be 17, 6, and finally it will finally 4. And when we reach the left node with value 2, so at this point we know that path doesn't satisfy the condition, but when we traverse down the right subtree, the remaining target sum will be 17, then 13, then 9, then 5, and finally when we reach the leaf node with value 5, target sum becomes 0, and we know that we have a valid path, so we return true. So so let's submit it for unseen test cases as well to verify it's working. So yeah, all good. And our implementation beat 79% with respect to runtime. Really simple implementation. And yeah, if you want to see implementation in other programming languages like Go, Rust, and much more, check the link in the description below. And there we have it. We have solved path_sum problem using depth first search in Python, and I hope you found this session useful. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more coding content, tutorial, and much more. And see you next time. Keep practicing and happy coding.